Today's tech tip reviews summer care for staff laptops. If you leave your laptop at school over the summer, it must be secure. So lock it in a cupboard or a desk drawer, or if you're not sure where to put it to keep it secure, talk to your school tech staff. Please make sure to not leave your laptop out on your desk. Many of us tend to close our laptop and just leave it out. At home or at school, make sure that you charge and shut down your laptop when it's not in use. Please note that closing the laptop lid will only put it to sleep. Do not leave your laptop in a hot car or location, and please keep the battery fully charged. If you charge it and then shut it down, you should be good for a while. When you return in the fall, make sure that you allow time for a long restart to install updates. I just had to restart my own laptop and it took 35 minutes. So when I say long restart, think 30 minutes at least. Finally, you can subscribe to our channel, and all of our tech tips from this year have been put into a playlist for you. Please feel free to watch any of them over the summer, and we'll see you for EdTech Tip Tuesdays in the fall.